Hello everyone. So today I've decided to do something different. Instead of gimbal videos, I've decided to do a photography POV with my mobile phone. Because some of you might know, I don't have a camera yet, but I do shoot all my photos on this phone here. So we're gonna take some photos around my area, and I've got a few locations planned, which is the first is coming up in a minute, but there's not really much things or buildings around here. It's mainly fields and that, so we're gonna try and make the most of it. Parts of my village, but not that much. It's starting to all go now, so yeah. Anyway, the first shot should be... Oh, have I missed it? Oh no I haven't, don't worry, I haven't missed it. It's right to your left here, so we're gonna do that now. Take some photos. I wanted to get an angle on this log here, so let's do that real quick. Oh, come on. Here. Don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Moving on to our next spot, I did want to go to the bridge, but before the bridge there is some like along the banks or whatever you want to call it, the stream. There is some photos there, but yeah. Oh. I'll see you when I get there. The next location is the bridge, so we're going to head over there now, but there is some photos and places that I want to take some photos of along the way before we get to the bridge, and one of them is just coming up to our right, so well, it's in a field, but it's not that far. Just climb over the fence and you're there. So we're gonna go take photos of that now. Right, it's right here, so I'll turn the camera back on and we'll take some photos. See, I could just take a photo of the fence, but I'm going to take a photo of that. I don't know what you call it, but it's some sort of feeder for cows. So let's take a photo of that real quick. See, I like these holes down here. See that? Hang on, let me get a better angle. One. Let me get another one. I like the metal bars for framing in my photos. Anyway, next location is going to be not the bridge, but the next location before the bridge, because I like to put them in order, because the main things that I want to take a photo of. So the next one is going to be the bridge. Oh, there's a heron over there. I love the wildlife, although it can be a bit cold sometimes. Yeah, so I like to put the locations in order, like the main ones that are more bigger. So the next main location is the bridge, and before that, this tree here, there's a gate near there, and little stream. There's a stream on this side and this side, but it's frozen at the moment, solid. If I get a piece of rock and just throw it, it's frozen. It's, oh, what's that? Is that a barn owl, seagull? I think it's a seagull. But yeah, here on the left is the next spot to take a photo. Right. I wasn't going to put my phone like here and take a photo, or not use these for framing, although I could, but I wanted to get a photo here of like weeds and that, so you try and get a different angle down here. Whoop. Maybe I'm a bit careful because I don't want to go in that part there in case I end up falling over into a stream or river, whatever you want to call it. And I do like this photo here because the stream is there and then it carries on over here, so get a picture of that quick. And oh, is there bird up there? No, what do you call it? Like a marsh harrier or like kestrel? And here, a kestrel. I don't know if you can see that. A kestrel. No, I think it's near the bridge right now. I love like birds of prey and that. I find them fascinating, but oh yeah, I don't know if you can see that. It's up here in the sky. Yeah. Yeah, I always have to stop for stuff like that because I like it, find it quite fascinating. I think there's two in the sky. I can see one behind me and to the left of me that hopefully you just saw. But coming up now on the left here is the next location or spot, how you want to call it, to take a photo. Or dog's footprints. I've got to be careful. I'm not sure, it's a bit windy. Well, I was going to get my camera upside down like that and get on the ground, but it's a bit windy, I'm not sure. I'll try it out. Oh. Right. Maybe here. No. Oh, that's it. Next shot. Always make sure to get yourself different angles, because if you get a different angle or perspective that people don't normally see, for example, just there, you don't see a person lying down on a bridge just to see how it looks, because they can see it for themselves just standing up. But the next shot, these barbed wires here, I like to use them as framing. Oh, and I think the sheep are coming over. I like to use these as framing, so I kind of line it up and take a photo. But I think the sheep are now coming over, so I'm gonna see. Wait a bit. Oh, they're coming now. I hope they come here, because normally they just go in that far bit over there. But they do have got option to come here, so I want to see. They're all coming, following each other now. But yeah. Hopefully they come over. Also, oh, they just stand there. Right, I'll take a photo like this. Oh, I think they're coming over. Come on. I think they might be coming over anyway. Take a photo there. And I might crop it in the editing so that the quality doesn't go. Or it might go. If it's 1080p. Oh, they're coming. They're coming over. Come on. I'll try and get one. I want to get a shot of these. Oh, I think this one here is really coming over. Come on. Oh, it's really coming over. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, look at this. Look at this. This is wildlife. This is... Oh, they're all coming over. Mustn't make too much noise. Oh, sudden movements. Come on. Come on. Right, bye sheep. Bye. Sorry, thanks for the photos. Right, that was the next photo. I think we're going to start heading back now, because I don't have very much photography spots down here, so also a bit icy. Better be careful. So if you did like this video, make sure to click that thumbs up button at the bottom of this video. Also, why not click a red button down there for more videos like this, and click a notification bell so you don't miss another video. Alright, that's me and I'm out.